everyone, and welcome to downtown Flushing, New York City. This bustling neighborhood is full of vibrant energy, cultural diversity, and a rich tapestry of history. Downtown Flushing is home to a diverse array of ethnic communities, including Korean, Chinese, South Asian, Taiwanese, Latin American, and many others. It is reflected in the great number of languages spoken on its streets, the wide range mix of cuisines offered in its restaurants, and the variety of businesses that cater to many different cultural preferences. For me, and many other people, one of the main draws of downtown Flushing is its renowned food scene. From upscale restaurants to the hole-in-the-wall eateries, this neighborhood is an exceptional culinary journey. You can indulge in Korean barbecue, authentic Chinese dim sum, Indian street food, Taiwanese bubble tea, and so much more. The lively food courts of the Flushing Mall and the New World Mall are must-visit destinations for food enthusiasts. This area is also considered a shopper's paradise. Here you will find traditional Asian supermarkets and specialty stores selling amazing exotic goods, trendy fashion boutiques, and international brands.
Sorry.
熏鸡，温州熏鸡。
The neighborhood is full of beautiful cultural attractions and landmarks that offer great insights into its rich heritage. Visitors can enjoy a performance at historic Flushing Town Hall, visit the Queen's Botanical Garden, or appreciate the stunning architecture of the Hindi Temple Society of North America. Downtown Flushing is easily accessible from all parts of New York City. This area is served by several train stations, including the Long Island Railroad's Port Washington branch, as well as New York City's subway IRT Flushing Line 7 train, which provides very convenient access to Manhattan and other parts of Queens. Exploring downtown Flushing is a great adventure that will definitely delight the senses and leave a lasting impression whether you are a local resident or a visitor from afar. I hope that you have enjoyed this tour of this amazing neighborhood. See you in the next video.